We drove all the way to Ontario Mills to check out the Nike outlet. And we got Bossco Mitchell.
Good,
go check out his channel, do all that stuff. Let's go see what's up.
Hopefully.
One of the smaller outlets. We haven't been here in forever. All right, let's look around. First section I gotta hit up is a refurb section. Wait, in the back? I'm so mad. Damn, if they had a bigger size of this, I would so grab it. God dang it, this is a 9. I need a 10 for me, or I need actually 11 for me, a 10 for my kiddo. This is a size 9. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. $43. These are normally 80 bucks, $43. And you get an extra 40 freaking % off. Are you serious? Are you serious? Holy cow, man. I wish they had my size. I'm sad. And we did get here a few minutes late. Like, I feel like you have to get here like right on time. 100 bucks for LeBrons right here. These are 8.5 gently worn. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex going for $80 gently worn, size 11. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature, size 9, go for $90. Huarache's Nike by You. Oh, they just look like they're all white. Go for $75, slightly imperfect. More LeBron, size 7.5, $105. That one's slightly imperfect. This one's gently worn, $105. And then this one's a hella small, 100 bucks. 100 bucks for those. I have been looking. Oh, these are huge. Size 17. Go for $80. God dang it, dude. I have a bunch of dope stuff, just not the size I'm looking for. Size 14. Sabrina Nike by You. Go for $80. Metcon size 12.5. Go for $70. Next Gens. Go for $80. That's a 10.5. LeBron 19 lows, slightly imperfect. These are 9.5. Go for $80. 21s. 8.5. Go for $100. God dang it. So freaking sad. So sad. Dang it. Damn. I really want those Airmore up-tempo slides, but nah, don't got my size. Don't got my size. Zoom Freak 5s. Team Bank colorway going for $70. God dang it. This makes me sad. This makes me sad. Dang it. Damn, that brings this down to like 25 bucks. Holy crap. $85 on like 25 bucks. God dang it. All right, we're moving on to the regular clearance section now. Size 8. I'm looking for one of these for my kiddo. Not this colorway though. That fool he won't want too much pink. But yeah, that is retail. 40% off though. Still not bad. That's like 100 bucks. Been seeing Air Forces on sale lately. Not this one. Not this one. Oh, I guess it is 40% off. Infinity Run 4s. 160. Why is it still going for that much? Got some Dunks right here, size 12. Dang, sizing kind of crazy around here. I'm in the size 9, size 10 section, and yeah, we got everything around here. 120 for these Air Max 1s right here. That's a great price after the discount. Metcons right here, regular price it seems like. Size 7, Zoom Freak 5 going for $85. Football cleats right here, regular price. Definitely not Jordans right here. Moving to the 10.5s. Got Jordan 1 low golf right here. This is the one with the alligator skin, or faux alligator skin at least. But yeah, these, I guess you get 40% off. Dunk lows. This is actually a pretty dope colorway right here. Just mostly canvas. Oh, it's all canvas. Okay. Some Next Nature looking things right here. Regular price though. At least you get 40 off, man. I keep saying that, but makes a regular price item like this, makes it into a bargain. Size 11. React Terra Geiger 9s go for $110. Cosmic Unity 2s, $80. A lot of stuff regular price, but like I said, the 40% off, making everything a good deal. Air Max 90, these are some golf, size 9s. Nike by You, size 13. It looks like a shadow colorway, I guess. But yeah, these are regular price. Don't even know what the price is though. I think Air Force Ones, I think they charge like 140, 150 or something like that for the Nike by U's. Air Max 90s right here. These are size 10, all white. Jordan 1 low, to be able to get these for hella cheap. That's what's up. Another Jordan 1 mid right here, 40% off. GT Cut, or GT Hustle 2s, 120. So that makes these way under 100 bucks. Size 18s right here, $100, so 60 bucks for those. Size 14, Cosmic Unity 3s, 120. I think this is some of the best prices I've ever seen at this outlet, because this usually has been a tourist trap, 130, size 15 for the Air Max 90s. And you better believe I'm checking again, just in case I missed something, just in case they just brought something. I don't see nothing though. Dang nabbit. Mother. We've been nosy over here. We've been nosy. See anything for your members?
Nah, not yet, man. Been looking around. 40% off is good though, so hopefully we come across something, but just ain't found nothing yet.
Okay. Many of you guys have been asking for me to do pickups. I don't. I ain't got time. But Bossco, he does do pickups. Yep. So make sure you guys check out his channel, Bossco Mitchell. Link in the description, all that type of stuff. These are some premiums, huh?
Yeah.
Some premium right here. Yeah, these are some premiums, dude. But regular price though, regular price. They do have a little heat wall here. Haven't seen that here. This is the backside right here. Got green beans and stuff. What they talking about? What they talking about for these? $230 for the gratitudes. Probably a return or something. Oh, it's a B grade. It is a B grade. Okay, okay.
B grade. What they mean?
Size 10.
What they mean?
Someone was asking me what B grades are. I had to kind of explain to them. Sometimes it means everything, sometimes it means nothing. Sometimes it's irregular, sometimes they just put B grade on it because, you know, it's available at the outlets, and sometimes it goes for a big discount. So you just never know. You just have to inspect each of the shoes. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thought on B grades. I have no problem buying B grades, especially since I'm buying for myself most of the times, or my family members, that type of stuff. Do got OGs right here. Do got Jordan 1 Low OGs. They are going for retail. Couple of dunks here as well. Some 4s going for retail as well. This is like a grade school. That's a women's, but kind of a grade school size. Got Gore-Texes right here, 9.5. These are the green beans, right? No, these ain't the green beans. The Jades? I don't remember. What colorway is this? I forgot what colorway that is. But dude got more fires right here. Got the aluminum foils right here. I did ask one of the workers to see if they have any additional discounts on these. Nope, no discounts. They do have 40% off the apparel as well. They got this nice New York Mets jacket. This thing looks huge as hell though. Oh, it's an XL. 220 down to 154, and then you get another 40 off. That's not bad. Tech fleece, regular price, but 40% off. Not bad. I like that color too. That powder blue, university blue, really hard to match though, because I have so many university blue items and they're all like slightly off. Like the colors can be slightly different, and it can still all be technically university blue. So it's not the easiest to match. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the easiest to match. Let me know if you guys have had that issue. Do got a Dodgers fleece jacket right here, 110. That 40 off, making everything look decent. Then I got a bunch of mediocre looking t-shirts. What the hell? I got a bunch of t-shirts on this rack as well. Y'all don't need to see Nike t-shirts, right? Yeah, man, you seen them one, you seen them all. They got 50 different graphics. They got 3 more racks. Holy cow. FC Barcelona jersey right here. That's a hell of a find. Whatever the retail is, you get 40% off. Guess they're sponsored by Joe Rogan and Spotify, I guess. Okay. ACG gear. Some of you guys get boners when you guys hear ACG. 120 for this. Solid material, dude. Solid material. It is a large. It's regular price, but you get 40 off. Nike SB work shirt, 40% off. That is kind of high, but 40% off. Nike skateboarding. Didn't start off as Nike skateboarding, but that's what they call it now, right? All the OG skateboarding fans are like, nah, man, that stood for this fool. I forgot the name. Sandy something. I don't remember. But yeah, $30 or $50 off of this. I'm not a fan of that logo though. That's not bad. $30 after discount. Got some super thick cargo pants right here. Super wide cargo pants, $100. Got some cargo sweats right here. Price unknown. And a bunch of shorts. Bunch of shorts, stuff that we've seen. And kind of more of the same right here. Oh, this is a SB super baggy cargo pants right here. $100, size 38. Got some sweats right here down to 40, and then you get that extra 40 off. That's not bad. More cargo pants right here. We're seeing quite a lot of cargo pants that we haven't seen too much of. Does come with belt loops and everything. $100 a piece for those. God dang, dude. But, you know, yeah, more right here. All right, they do have a ton of aisles. Let's see how many aisles I can cover. Of course, we do have plenty of Jordans, Jordan 1 High OGs. And we got a few. I don't know why I'm fixing stuff. What the hell am I doing? 2s right here, got Forces right here. Whole section of Air Maxes, Air Max 1 Premiums. Been seeing these on sale at the retail shops. Scorpions, I think that's what, under $100. Air Max 2017s. Got some Forces. We got the Terminators right here. Man, that's a awful accent. What the hell am I doing? Got Terminators right here. Apparently I'm awful with accents, or impersonations, whatever. But yeah, got Tech Harris. Get to the chopper, whatever, dude. All right, got Vapor Maxes. Everybody thinks they can do an Arnold impersonation. Nah, mine's off. But I do got Air Cross trainers. Another one of these Tech Harris. What the hell? Got some Air Spans right here. Got Hyper Dunks going down in price. Got Ja 1s. Stuff we've seen everywhere. Got Witness 7s. Next Gen starting to go down in price. Jordan 1 Fly E's that are made to be easy to get out of for the handicapped. Do got Max Aura 2s, Immortality 3s, Zoom Freak 5s, get an extra 40% off of these mother lovers. Holy cow, wait, hold up. $60, 40% off. Maybe my kid might want these. Yeah, these are hella cheap, $60. It's weird because some of them are marked 60, some of them are marked 70. Usually Nike's pretty good about giving you the lower price. So yeah, $60, you get an extra 40% off. So what is that?
Few minutes later.
$36? $36 for these bad boys right here? Is that worth it for my kiddo? These look, I don't know. I think I can find better stuff. I don't know. Summer is coming up. He's gonna be doing a lot of running around and stuff. What do you guys think? I've been telling you guys to be patient. $36 for Zoom Freaks. That is freaking crazy. Holy cow, $36. These retail for what, $120 or $130 or something? Holy crap. I don't know if my kid's gonna like them though. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out. That's what gets us glued to coming to the Nike outlets. $36? Are you serious? I'm still mad that they didn't have the slides that I want right there. God dang it. Wrong size, man. That other one is the other one? Yeah, the other one's still there. Size 9 still there, man. Pretty much free. Gotta get that thumbnail. Damn, dude. Is that men's? You found the men's? Oh, I was like, what? That's what's up. 40% off, though.
Yeah, I know, right?
Damn, that's what's up. Bosco did his due diligence. That's one of the workers. Yeah, they're regular price. It's weird because it has a red tag, but regular price, I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of.
But you had to ask, though. You
gotta double check,
All right, I'm tripping. I almost forgot the women's refurbished section. You know I gotta check. See if they got anything bigger sizes at least. Not really seen too much. What the hell is this? That's not even the right shoe. $38. If you can get these for $38, these definitely ain't the Zoom rival, and they usually don't even check. But yeah, if you get those for $38, you get an extra 40% off. What the hell? Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for $75, slightly imperfect. Metcon 5 women's going for $60. Those are size 10. Got some cleats right here. Just not really seeing that much heat in the women's, to be really honest. In the clearance section, do got women's Jordans right here. Jordan 38 lows, $185. At least you get that 40 off. That's like $100, dude. And then they got these. I got mine for hella cheap. I think I got it for under $100, like 80 something. Size 9.5 women's. Also 11.5 right here as well. Okay. All right, we're gonna check out the women's aisles right here. Air Max 90s, 2017s. waffle ones. Got a few of these. Haven't seen these in a while. They got a bunch of them. Air Max 97s. All kinds of blazers. Prices vary like crazy. They even got a couple more back here. Prices are a little bit high though, in my opinion. Like I feel like they've been going down. Jordan 2s. Got a couple of the Air Force One platforms, and then got some regular Forces right here. These are weird. J Forces. These are weird as hell, dude. Then in the grade school, do got Jordan 1 highs, going for regular price. 2s right here. The Christmas Jordan 2s right here. Max R's, another one of those. All right, I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. You got everything? Yeah, let's get the hell out of here. There's plenty of other sneaker shops. We're gonna go check out a bunch of other shops. Make sure you guys go stay tuned. Did I say go stay tuned? Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Got plenty things coming. Bossco and I are like, should we hit up Adidas? Or like,
Check it out.
I guess we weren't enthused about it.
50% off.
50% off. We're not super enthused.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. Adidas just hasn't been doing anything crazy. Like they've been kind of. I don't know. Let's look. Of course, we're gonna start with the back wall. I believe it's 50% off. I believe it's. I think these are 50% off too, though. Solar thons go for $50 and stuff. Hell yeah. City of Compton. Yeah, it's Bossco and they're like, hey, at least they got good music. Oh no, 50% off of these. I was like, cause look, they got these, but it's not discounted. It's not discounted. It says excluded from store-wide promotion. What the hell? So 50% off unless there's one of those stickers that's excluded from promotion. So Trae Young is going for close to $50. Pure Boost going for $120, so $60 for those. These all white ones. What are they talking about? These ain't bad. These are not bad. $190 though, so pretty much $95. Got the, what's this, the Olympic colorway or something? $180 for those. The Noras right here, the colorway is pretty dope, but yeah, not too many great deals. $55 for those. NMDs, $105, so $57.50 for those. Superstars right here. Is this women's superstars or something? It's a W at the end. But yeah, these all excluded from store-wide promotion. Do got superstars on the back wall right here. That's as cheap as it gets. $40 for these. $35 for this one right here. Not too bad. Got orange on one side. What's that, like cream color on the other side? $50 for these superstars. Stan Smith, the little mini portrait right there, going for $50. $35 for these. No basketball sneakers. Got like one or two pairs on the back wall. That's it. Ultra Boost lights go for $95. I feel like we've seen better deals at most of the retail stores. This one's not bad. If you don't mind hearts all over your toe box. That's what, $70. What was that? Slightly under 100 for those. This colorway is pretty dope. $100, but no extra discounts. Adidas deals been kind of whatever, dude. Been kind of whatever. They're also ignoring their basketball line, which is kind of weird. What's up with Adidas not having basketball shoes? Like, huh?
Yeah,
they're ignoring.
I don't understand that either. Why you can't have basketball shoes?
I don't know.
In Adidas
I don't know.
basketball? I don't get it.
I don't know. It's weird. They'll have them at Burlington and Ross and those places, but not here.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense. All right, let's check out some more shops. They just opened up one of these. This is a huge freaking store. Holy cow! Holy cow!